Now, here we have l'interrogation partielle. L'interrogation partielle. Now, l'interrogation partielle is what? Is here when we have many different outcomes of response or answers. So, utiliser seulement un mot interrogatif means use only an interrogative word. We have many. Pourquoi means why, quand means when, où means where, qui means who, que means what, comment means how. So here are some examples. Pourquoi il ne mange pas? It means why he is not eating. Pourquoi il ne mange pas? Why he is not eating. Où tu vas? Où tu vas? Means where you going. Tu viens quand? Means when are you coming? Comment tu vas? It means how are you? I'm sure you remember this on our first video. Now, comment tu vas? You can see pourquoi is first, où is also first. But here we have quand is third. Means what? These can come before or they can come after. Okay? According to what you want to ask. We use a interrogative word to ask, like in English you also use them. Who are you? Where are you? When will you come? Things like that. When will you be able? Things always like that because we use different interrogative words. Okay.